Hello guys, welcome back again with me. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe and share this video. Okay. Ukraine troops have attacked Russian positions along the entire front. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said while Russia halted gas supplies via a major pipeline to Kerman, citing the need for maintenance. Ukraine, now armed with sophisticated Western-supplied weapons, launched a press push this week to reclaim territory in the south. Zelensky, who urged Russian soldiers to flee for their lives, said Ukraine's forces were on the offensive throughout the east and south. Active military engagement is now happening along the whole front line. In the south, in the Kharkiv region in Donbass, Zelensky said in his nightly address on Tuesday. Russia captured large tracts of southern Ukraine near the Black Sea coast in the early weeks of the 6-month-old war, including in the Kherson region, which lies north of the Russian-annexed Crimean Peninsula. Ukraine says recapturing the region is crucial to prevent Russian attempts to seize more territory further, with that could eventually cut off its access to the Black Sea. Ukraine government has released few details of the offensive. Britain, an ally of Ukraine, said on Thursday Ukrainian forces had stepped up its artillery barrage across the southern front, but that it was not possible to confirm the extent of its territorial advance. Unverified reports, images and footage and social media suggested Ukrainian forces may have taken back some villages and destroyed some Russian targets in the south. Russia's defense ministry, however, said its troops had routed Ukrainian forces, adding that air defense units had shot down dozens of missiles near Kherson. Russia is methodically pressing on with its plan in Ukraine. Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov said on Tuesday. All of our goals will be reached, he said. Reuters called not verify the battlefield report extremely dangerous. The Zaporizhia nuclear power plant in Ukraine's south, captured by Russian troops in March but managed by Ukrainian staff, has been a spot in the conflict, with both sides trading blame for selling in the vicinity. The situation at the Zaporizhia nuclear power plant and in Enerhodar and surrounding areas remains extremely dangerous, Zelensky said. The risk of radiation disaster to Russian action does not decrease for an hour. The Russian Defense Ministry, however, said radiation levels were normal at the plant Europa's largest. A mission from the International Atomic Energy Agency (IAEA), led by its chief for the plant, Grossi, met Zelensky on Thursday, the president's office said without elaborating. Yevgeny Baletsky, the head of the Russian-installed administration, told Pullback that the IAEA inspectors must see the work of the station in one day. Okay guys, just stay for me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.